Hey everyone, in today's quick video I'll show you how to check your MacBook's battery cycle count, which tells you how many full charge cycles your battery has gone through and helps you understand its overall health. Here's how to do it. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select About This Mac. When the window appears, click the More Info button. This will take you to your Mac's About settings. From there, scroll all the way down and click on System Report. A new window will open. On the left sidebar, select Power. On the right, you'll find a section labeled Battery Information. Under that, look for Cycle Count. That number tells you how many full charge cycles your MacBook battery has gone through. Most MacBook batteries are designed to last around 1,000 cycles, so it's a great way to see how your battery is holding up. And that's it. Now you know how to check your cycle count and keep an eye on your MacBook's battery health. If you found this helpful, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Mac tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.